Good morning, sir. This is our output in your activity. Before we start, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Mike Bannister in Cabo.
I'm Adrian Ringa.
I am Jerlyn Zitungubo.
I am Christian P. Mapula.
I am John Vincent P. Paran.
The Russian civilization relies on fortified structures like castles, city walls, and moats to defend against invaders and protect their citizens and resources. These structures provide a physical barrier slowing down attackers and allowing defenders times to prepare. Fortress man siya sir kanang castle ano siya diyon. Ang fortress design para to protect against mga invaders and protect their citizens and to protect people's property and information from physical threats.
Go.
Another Another example of physical security, locks. Ano siya, locks? Locks inventions of lock revolutionized personnel and proper security. They provides a simple yet and valuable positions. Ang locks, gibuhat ni siya, for example, kanang mulakaw-kaw, kanang naib, kuhaan imong balay, malakan mo kay, if di mo malakan, dili mo makuhaan kay, if naay intruders or mo kuhaan sa inyong balay, madili sila kadidali o open sa inyong balay, ano?
Example of physical security walls or brains used for the center to define boundaries, control access, and protect agent intention. Sample. Palitan na kanang naay sa balay sa inyo kanang walls bitaw. Di basta-basta makasulod na mangawat ana. Katsa.
Go.
Kana palitan nga hindi makasulod basta-basta makasulod ang kawatan sa inyong balay. So, kanang naay mo yung walls bitaw sa inyo na as kuan pod ning dali ra kayo mo makabantay.
The vital role of technological advancements and CCTV in biometric access. Technological advancement in CCTV in biometric access control have revolutionized security practice, offering enhanced protection, convenience, and efficiency. They are the technological advancements. This is our CCTV. Muna yung picture CCTV na sir. CCTV from passive surveillance to proactive security. CCTV systems have evolved from simple analog cameras to sophisticated digital networks capable of real-time monitoring, recording, and analysis. This advancement has significantly increased the effectiveness of CCTV in deterring crime, providing evidence, and improving overall security. Ang security sir no kay muna siya ang mag-monitor or mag-record sa mga kahitabo. Like for example, diri sa eskwelahan. Muna ang mag-monitor ug unsay mga in case mga panghitabo sir no, yun ma-recover na to og unsay nahitabo. Then another technological advancements is biometric access. Biometric access is controlled beyond case and passwords. Biometric access control system utilize unique biological traits to authenticate individuals, replacing traditional methods like keys, cards, and passwords. So, mao ni ang forma sa biometric access sir.
Intelligence, surveillance, and AI-driven security systems are revolutionizing how we protect ourselves and our assets. These systems use AI to analyze video feeds in real time, identifying potential threats like intruders or suspicious behavior. By automating threat detection, they can alert security personnel immediately, enabling faster response and reducing the risk of harm.
So these systems are not just reactive, they can also be proactive by analyzing past data. AI can predict potential threats and alert security personnel beforehand. This allows for preventive measures to be taken, minimizing of a security breach.
This is our modern integrated system of intelligence, surveillance, and AI-driven security. Intelligence surveillance sa makita diri sa kuan sa picture is CCTV ni siya, then CCTV kanang siya mo ay mag-analyze sa mga tao nga kanang makita or kanang musulod sa iyong balay, like for example kanang musulod sa iyong balay, din mo ni siya ang video na kanang mo ni siya mo identify sa mga tao nga musulod sa iyong balay.
In AI driven, it's used for dorms, buildings, etc. AI driven security is used for hand to gamiton siya para unlock sa balay mo, para makasulod ka sa imong balay, dorms, or anything.
Importance and core principle of physical security. These key objectives: protecting assets, ensuring safety, and preventing unauthorized access, are fundamental to any effective security system, whether it's physical security system for a building or a digital security system for a network. Protecting assets. The objectives encompasses safeguarding all valuable resources, including physical property, financial data, intellectual property, and sensitive information. Ensuring safety. This objective focuses on protecting people and ensuring their well-being. Preventing unauthorized. This objective is crucial for maintaining the integrity and confidentiality of assets and information.
The core principles of physical security are like layered defined systems, each working in concert to protect assets and people. Deterrence. These principles aim to The core principles of physical security are like a layered defense systems, each working in concert to protect assets and peoples. Deterrence. These principles aim to discourage potential threats by making clear that security branch has difficult simply not worth the effort. Detections. These principles focus on identifying security breaches as they occur. Delay. These principles aim to slow down potential intruders, buying times for response threats to ensure or for other security measures to kick in.
A group provide real-world example of how this principle applied in different environments, airport, banks, and government buildings. So, mao ni ang atong basihan sa example, the deterrence, detection, and delay. So, ang una atong example is airports. The deterrence of airports, visible security checkpoints, uniformed officers, and surveillance cameras create a strong sense of security, deterring potential threats. The detection of airports, body scanners, baggage screening system, and facial recognitions software are used to identify potential threats quickly. The delay of airports, secure perimeters access control system, and reinforced cockpit doors create obstacle to unauthorized access, giving security personnel time to respond. The response of airports, trained security personnel, law enforcement, and emergency responders are on hand to handle any security incidents. Cut.
The deterrence of banks. Banks visible
Ay,
sec-
sa, ikat sa. Another.
Another is banks. Banks deterrence visible security cameras, alarm systems, and security guards create a deterrence effect discouraging potential criminals. Detection. Banks silence alarms, access control system, and biometric authentications help identify and respond to unauthorized access. Banks delay, security doors, bolts, times, delays, sep, uh, sep, SEPs and cash management procedures slow down potential robbers, giving unauthorized times to banks response establish protocols for alerting law enforcement, activating alarms and coordinating with security personnel ensure a swift response to security branches.
Threats to physical security. Natural threats, the floods and earthquakes. The floods, these occur when water its normal boundaries, often caused by heavy rainfall and following rivers or storm surge. Then can cause significant damage to homes, business, and infrastructure. As well as displacement of people. Ang floods is makakusya og damage sa atong house, sa atong business and sa other people. Earthquakes, this and sudden violent movements of the earth crust caused by the release of energy along fault lines. They can cause widespread damage to buildings, infrastructure, and the environment, as well as trigger tsunamis and landslide. Ang earthquakes is makakusya sa fault lines and widespread damage to buildings and infrastructure and environment. Maka-trigger po siya sa ato ang tsunamis and landslide sa kanang example kanang magbaha.
Human traits, burglary, terrorism, insider threats. So burglary, this involves the unlawful entry into a building or either structure with the intent commit a crime, usually thief. Terrorism, this involves the uses of violence or the threat of violence to intimidate or cause a government or civilian position to achieve political or biological goals. Insider threats, these are security risks posed by individuals who have legitimate access to an organization, system, or data but misuse their privilege to harm the organization. Technological threats, cyber-physical attacks hacking into security system. Cyber-physical attacks, these attacks target systems that bridge the physical and digital worlds like industrial control system or smart grids. Hacking into security system. Attackers may target security system like finally intrusion detection system or access control system to gain or unauthorized access to network or physical.
Kini example sa cyber na physical attacks. Kini pa sa mga pambuli bitaw nga na kwan. Sa paita pambulihon imong kan mo barkada sample. Kanang bulihon imong barkada kanang mga ana mo kon ito kanang mga buli kining kwan dito mo i-down mo siya dito na kwan. Tas kaning hacking beta na mo kanang manghack kanang kaning mga account or sa mga kwan dito na mga kwan ng password dito na para maibala yung sa mga password tas mo kwan or